So this is I call this project a Union KY baseball deck. The customers here, I constantly see their boys playing baseball on Facebook, and so that's why I named it that. We're talking about appealing deck paint lockdown here, okay? Appealing coating system on this deck. Let me zoom this out. Not sure what this coating is. It could be something similar to a behr deckover. It could be similar to something like a behr all-purpose sealer. It could even be like a Sherwin-Williams super deck type coating. But you can see they just didn't get really good adhesion on this when it was done. You see kind of splintering and the sun damage that's taking place here. What's cool about Kong Armor is, and the process has already begun. You guys can see this yellow coating here we're coming through. We had guys here just a little bit today painting, but what's cool about this process with Kong Armor is we'll absolutely come in here and we'll encase this deck in coating. So when this is done, it'll resurface all this. It'll go over all of this and lock this down very, very well to where it doesn't peel anymore. It'll be this thick build, synthetic, almost composite look, and it'll be very, very pretty. So we'll armor this deck, encapsulation, lockdown of peeling deck paint, and then we'll turn around and we'll armor these customers with a lifetime limited warranty, okay, for things that are not their fault. And then we'll armor them with a lifetime service policy. It's a promise. We will come back out and fix this deck for life of ownership if they cause some type of damage to it. These are two things that are unheard of in the deck painting industry. You'll only find them at Kong Armor. Nobody else wants to take the risk. But we believe in taking care of our customers, and we believe in return that'll turn around 7 or 8-fold. Okay, again, Union KY baseball deck. What it is here is a peeling deck paint lockdown, encapsulation lockdown, okay, all the way. I'm Anthony Ford. Use the hashtag Union KY baseball deck to see what this deck turns out like here in a few days. Also, remember, winter is coming, and people that have exposed wood peeling deck paint systems like this, winter can be harsh. You can turn around in the spring and be facing a deck replacement that you wasn't expecting. Our coating system saves people from that. It saves people from replacement. It's the toughest protection on the planet for decks, docks, fences, patios, you name it. Go to kongarmor.com and sign up for a free quote. I'll come out, we'll look at your deck, we'll see what we need to do to protect it long term for the life of the ownership, okay? Yeah. You still got plenty of time. There's still about 50 days left in the season. See you later.